Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel where we break down finance and accounting concepts in a way that actually makes sense. Today we are diving into a topic or a concept that might sound technical, but is one of the cornerstones of how businesses operate. The concept we are discussing today is known as economic entity principle. So whether you are a student, a business owner, or just curious about how companies operate behind the scenes, stick around because by the end of this video, you will not only understand this concept, but you will also know why it matters. The economic entity principle is an accounting concept that states the business should be treated as a separate economic entity from its owners or any other entities. For example, if John runs two lines of businesses, say a hotel business and a tour company, when recording transactions for these businesses, they have to be separated despite the fact that all these businesses are owned by him. And therefore, when recording the revenues of the hotel and the expenses of the hotel and preparing full books of the hotel, nothing from the tour company should be associated with those books. Similarly, when recording the tour company transactions, all the revenues, all the expenses, and all other reports that relates to the tour company must be recorded and kept separately. And therefore, the main goal of this concept is to ensure that there is clarity when it comes to reporting transactions of each and every business, so that you can also be able to determine which revenue relates to which business and which expense relates to which business. And this concept applies to every other form of business. It applies to companies, it applies to partnerships, it applies to sole proprietorships, and any other form of business that may exist out there. And therefore, it's very important when you adhere to this concept so that you can be able to know and match every business with their transactions. In this regard, if you are running a business, ensure you incorporate economic entity concept in your day-to-day financial operation, because it will help you separate business transactions from your own personal transactions. And by doing so, you'll be able to analyze the growth and performance of your business independently. Many people who have not applied this concept have resulted to their business failing. And business failure is not a good thing. And especially this affects those people who are operating the small and medium enterprises. And this is a wrap on economic entity concept. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe for more content like this. Drop a comment, a question, or ideas for future topics. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep your books clean.